Urban heat island effect in Sydney, Australia. Sydney is hot and is getting hotter every year because of the urban heat island effect. As the city develops and the vegetation is cleared, the industrial and human-made waste add up to the heat effect. The heat island effect is when there is a warmer temperature around the city area compared to other less populated areas. The heat warms up the buildings, and the buildings in return reflect the heat, which is more pronounced at night. It is important to have a sustainable urban environment to somehow reduce the heat effect. To achieve this goal, careful planning is needed as suggested by various organizations, including Green Australia, Cooling Australia, and the 2020 Vision. According to these plans, there are several approaches that Sydney is using to combat the heat island effect challenge. These approaches include increasing vegetation across landscape, which can cause an increase in soil moisture near the waterways. As a result, the temperature in these areas will cool down. Also, conserving large patches of vegetation such as trees and bushes, which can represent natural cooling mechanism as the transpiration of leaves leading to cooling down the surrounding air. Also, mass transportation, such as shifting from personal to public transportation, can reduce the vehicle usage. Using light-colored roofing is important because it can reflect rather than absorb heat. So light roofs do not heat up as much as dark roofs, as we can see here in the Opera House. Reducing energy usage is important because by using light-colored roofs and evaporative coolers and solar hot water heaters, we can reduce the amount of energy used in residential homes. Lastly, planting more street trees will help provide shades for roads and will cause a reduction in the local temperature. These approaches can help decrease energy costs and improve air quality and decrease health risks.